Alright, we're going to graph 4x plus 5y equals 20. So this is a linear equation. Probably be easiest if we get it in the y equals mx plus b form. And in that case, that means basically getting the y completely by itself. So if we do that, we can move the 4x over by subtracting it on both sides. And that will give me, right now, 5y equals negative 4x plus 20. And then, still trying to get the y completely by itself, we'll divide by the 5 on all parts. So this comes down to being y equals negative 4/5 x plus 4. And that's in the correct form, so the b, the y-intercept, is 4. So basically that's a point on my graph. And then the slope is negative 4/5. So that means I would take that point and come down 4, move over 5. So I end up, after graphing that point and using the slope, I end up with the graph over here through those 2 points. Now we didn't calculate it, but just to keep us on the straight and narrow here, we wanted to find the x-intercept, which we can look at the graph and tell would be 5, 0. Remember, from the equation we let y equal 0. Now that could be the original equation, 4x plus 5y equals 20. Or it could be the slope-intercept equation, y equals negative 4/5 x plus 4. Either one, since they're both technically the same relationship between x and y. The top one is the easier one to actually do. So I'm going to say 4x plus 5 times 0, which will go away, equals 20. So I've got 4x equals 20. Divide by the 4, and there I have x equals 5 with an intercept of 5, 0, like we just said. Okay, thank you.